Hey guys, today I've got a Frigidaire 14 cubic foot upright freezer, and I want to show you real quick that it is freezing, working like it's supposed to. So I've got it on, and I've got my little temperature gun here, and right in between those two red dots it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So you see it's about 63 Fahrenheit here. We'll go ahead and open this up, get a good look at the inside. See, it's nice and ice cold, sitting at negative 15. Of course, the coils here are going to be a little bit colder, but that way you can see everything's nice and super frozen like it's supposed to be. And of course I got a frozen bottle of water there, leave that in. Of course I have it all plugged in for the buyer to come check out, but you got your inside doors, everything's in great shape, and that's it there. You know, I like to show my items that they work that way. You get them home, plug it in, you know that, especially if you're driving to come get it, everything's going to work good. So I'll go ahead and get this listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.